Hello, everybody. Welcome to Mustache Monday, and today we're going to continue with 7.5 in our textbook. But what it is we're going to be learning about triangles this week. I wanted to take some time to explain to you what a hierarchy of triangles is, and to introduce you to some new words, because hierarchy is kind of a big word, and it's something that we need to understand before we can talk about what that means in relation to triangles. So students will be able to define and sort triangles in a hierarchy. So we need to know what a hierarchy means. A hierarchy, say it 3 times. Hierarchy, hierarchy, hierarchy. All right? It means organization in which people or groups are ranked one above the other according to status. There's a couple things I want to point out. It's an organization, so it means how does the system work? It's a system organization. What does that look like? How does it work? Does it move up or down? Like, do you start at the bottom and work your way up? Like starting at level 1 in Prodigy and ending up at level 100 in Prodigy, or starting with a level 1 house in Clash of Clans and ending up with a level 13 house in Clash of Clans. There's definitely a hierarchy in those games, and if you can relate another game. So what organization does it have? By which are people or groups? Substitute people or groups for triangles, all right? So triangles is what we're going to focus on. What is that organization of triangles? And then are ranked one above the other according to status. So how do we rank a triangle according to its status? What I want you to say status, I want you to change to attributes. All right? Because attributes is how we're going to look at triangles. What attributes do they have? So, and right? So an attribute or property in math. So if we're going to use an attribute, right? So attribute is like, does it have equal sides? Does it have a right angle, an acute angle, an obtuse angle? Things from 4th grade, all right? If it has those things, we can use those attributes or properties all right, which would be traits. A trait that an object has, right? To make it short, that's not the technical, but that's what it is. What traits does this object have? So when we think about triangles and their traits, you can have right, you can have obtuse, you can have acute, and so that's where you can start. Those would be examples. Other examples would be, what is an isosceles triangle? What is a equilateral triangle? What's just a regular triangle? And then what does that organization look like when we start taking a hierarchy or organization of objects or people, and then being able to rank them according to their status or attributes or properties? All right, so in math, we're going to focus on attributes or properties as traits that an object has. So, or a triangle has for a hierarchy of triangles. In my next video, I will talk about hierarchy of triangles, the different kinds of triangles, and what does a hierarchy look like. So make sure to watch the next video after you've watched this one. All right. Continue Mustache Monday, and I'll see you in the next video.